on in.
Airstrike!
Mia! I can't see your little face. There you are. Hi, Smiles. Yeah, she's looking down.
Oh, a little bouncy. Gotta keep track of that neck. Gotta make sure it's not. Oh.
Hi.
Where to next, honey?
Let's see. Then we got little Riley.
Up the stairs.
Keeping guard. Where'd they go? Riley, where'd they go? Hi, buddy. I don't know where Aaron is. Where's Briscoe? Briscoe! Yep. Let's see, maybe they're coming back. Here they come.
You're still
I was waiting for you. Mia!
And then landing next to the dog.
There's Riley. What's your favorite buddy?
I don't know if it's cool to put her head by his face.
No, I don't. Not that close.
Can you walk, honey?
Whoa, whoa! I just bopped her. Sorry. I was trying to catch her, but I didn't have a good angle. Sorry. Bad mommy.
What do you think she needs?
I don't know. Just happy to mix it up. Alright, bye fam.